I don't know if somebody's watching us.
What going on, Winna?
I'm Sanai.
I'm Micah.
And I'm Auntie Chanie.
Welcome to Growing Up Gooding. Today we are making pumpkin fritters.
I don't know if somebody's watching us. Okay, someone's watching us.
Yep, I think somebody's watching us.
Somebody's watching us, Micah. We got 150 subscribers. Shout out to y'all. Mm-hmm. So at least 150 people are watching us.
150, 150, yeah. Okay.
There might be more. They're just not subscribing. Subscribe.
Could you subscribe, please?
Subscribe down below. Remember that we're not doing it. This isn't the ending. I'm just telling you that.
That's right. We just got to remind them sometimes. Sometimes they forget. So we got to help them.
Subscribe down below.
Down below. Please and thank you.
I don't even know if it's on the internet.
It's on the U of the tube.
Okay, let's do this.
Let's do it. So today we'll be making pumpkin fritters. I don't know if you guys picked up on the theme of the month, but it's fritters / fried snacks.
Bakes.
We had bakes. We're doing pumpkin fritters. And next up, it's a secret. You'll find out when you come back. So Michael will be in and out. He's got the attention span of a 5-year-old. So he'll be in and out. But for your pumpkin fritters today, what you're going to need is pumpkin, flour, sugar, cinnamon,
check.
Nutmeg,
check,
baking powder,
check,
salt,
check,
and a little water. Oh, don't forget your vanilla.
Oh, I have that too. This is the great vanilla kind right here. Okay. This is sponsoring us today. Let me get some water.
They are not sponsoring us.
They're not. Alrighty. I have my water.
So just like the bakes, we're just gonna throw everything in the bowl and mix it up. Now, the pumpkin can be tricky to find outside of Halloween season, outside of October. So sometimes people use squash, or you can buy pumpkin in the can. Which will you be making today, Sanai?
I have some canned pumpkin. Yeah, the background's being weird, but I have canned pumpkin.
Good job. So you just open that up, throw it in a bowl along with the other ingredients, and mix it up. Okay, so you're going to need a pound of pumpkin, aka 2 cups.
Good, but dump it right in the pot.
Next, you need 3/4 cup of flour.
So I think
So
good.
there's one thing you have to do. Subscribe down below. But it's not finished yet. So remember that.
All right, can you put that in there, please?
Yes.
Flour, right? Yeah, we're doing flour.
Yes, 3 of those.
Whoa! Look at that. Oh, wow. That looks great. Okay, that's good. All right, what's next?
1/2 cup of sugar. You can use either brown sugar or white sugar.
All right, can you add that in?
Yeah.
So that was
Like
the
that?
1/2 cup of
Yeah,
brown
it was
sugar,
the half.
correct?
Can we
I
stir
would-
it now?
Not yet. We've got to add the rest of the stuff. All right. So you're going to need 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder.
Baking powder.
Bacon. Oh,
There are old people on here.
yeah, they're old people.
It's all gray and white.
That because there's on Grandma's TV and it's supposed to be gray and white because it's old. It's really old.
Yeah. Oh, okay, great.
Because Grandma's old. I don't know.
Auntie,
Yes.
this is not precise at all. But is it okay if I do a half a teaspoon instead?
So
Look, I got a slack boy.
do you know what a half of a half is?
A half of a half?
What are you doing there?
Oh, a quarter.
I'm clapping for you.
So I'll just do half of this little thing.
I'm clapping for you, Auntie Chanie.
Look at you.
I think Micah would have figured that out earlier than I would. He's great at math.
Is Micah at fractions yet?
No.
1
Okay.
plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 equals 28.
That's right.
That is correct. When he was doing that, I was still adding up the numbers in my head. Like, what? Oh, okay.
And I know 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is also 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6. And I also know 11 plus 7 and 12 plus 12.
Are you done?
No. 12 plus 12 equals 24, and 11 plus 9 is 22. Done. Okay, let's go. Let's go back.
I've been proud too many times to be proud now. Here, dump this in.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Oh, great job. All right.
Okay. So we've added our main ingredients that do like the work, the pumpkin, the flour, the baking powder, and the sugar. Now we're just gonna add our spices to give that nice special taste.
Flavor.
Flavor, that's right. So we've got our cinnamon, our nutmeg, and vanilla. And you're just gonna add about, this is really subjective. This is what you like. Like, are you a cinnamony person? Are you
I am.
Do you like
I'm a cinnamon
nutmeg?
person.
Do you like vanilla?
I don't think
So you can add this
I don't think
anywhere,
so.
I would say between like a dash to, right, to about like a quarter teaspoon, up to you. Just a little dash of vanilla, dash of cinnamon, dash of nutmeg,
I can't open the vanilla.
and dash of salt.
Question. Just wanted to remind everyone this is our sponsorship of the day. So.
I want to know what the legal ramifications are for calling all these people our sponsors who are not sponsoring us.
It's really sad, but I can get sued.
Please don't
Anyway.
sue us. We ain't got nothing.
We have nothing.
Nothing.
I have 1 cent in my pocket right now. That's all I have.
Make me. Sorry. I went for it. What can I say?
You did. You definitely did.
I like it. I like it a lot.
Yeah, it's just that's all I had to do.
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty. I really want to stir. Michael wants to stir.
Good luck.
Yeah, I know, it's awful. What if I stirred a little bit and then put more of the ingredients and make it look like I didn't stir, and then he had to stir? It's just a lot of work. Okay.
You can just start stirring and he can finish stirring, because more than likely he will not be able to actually incorporate, because he has little hands, so he won't actually be able to incorporate the ingredients. So you stir to start.
big hands. Well,
Yeah,
I don't
you're
even have big hands.
You're closer to adult hands.
You're saying I have teenager hands, and I'm not even a teenager yet.
I said you are closer to adult hands, not.
But
about
close to
teenager.
adulting means teenager. So
No. I'm saying there's a scale. Micah is down here with the baby hands, and you are a little closer to adult hands. But I ain't say nothing about teen, adult, nothing. You not. You back here. You hold on to right there. Right there? That's where you is. Was that your dash?
that was.
Of what, nutmeg?
Yeah, that was the nutmeg. Yep. Ooh, then the ground cinnamon. We are trying to get this as our sponsor. We are trying for you guys.
I think the words of this episode are sponsors and subscribe.
Yeah, how do they say subscribe and yeah, those two things in the accent.
Oh, in the accent?
Yes.
Wanna subscribe now? All right, so next up, a dash of salt, please. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Bam. Okay.
Yeah, all right.
All right, so now you're gonna add, yes?
All right, I was just saying, I really wish this could be our sponsorship, but it will never be.
I would never say never, but currently, definitely they are not. Morton's, where you should get your salt. Please add a little water, not
Okay,
too much. Okay, start to mix. I would not, yeah, you want to combine it. I would not use a whisk for this. Sorry. Yeah, a regular spoon or spatula should be fine.
Yep, can you come stir? Stir. Thank you.
I get to stir.
Stir?
I don't want to stir with this one.
Stir it with that one. You're stirring very scientific there.
I wouldn't, that don't look scientific to me. There we go. Yes, give me a little clockwise rotation.
Is this good, Auntie Chanie?
I can't see it. Can you show me? All right. Yep, you're looking good. Good job,
looks
guys.
like baby food.
Yeah, that's about right. All right, so what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to call mommy to come fry the fritters.
Oh, I know what the fritters are.
Yeah,
I know how to fry.
you know how to fry. Well, I would not want you near a stove, sir.
Fire. Fry.
What happened?
Fry.
Is that the fryer?
Yeah, you fry it. With it. Fry.
No, sir. That's a
I'm
grater.
sorry, baby. I'm sorry. No, that's not how you do it.
That's a grater. So we fried up our fritters. Now we're gonna try them out. Yes.
I want Danny.
Very nice. Well fried over there. I like it.
All right, unroll it, Micah. We can unroll it.
Yeah.
Feels a little soft.
Yeah, there is softer consistency.
I feel like it's still a little warm. Hold up now. Be careful, they're hot on my hands.
They're so hot. They're not hot. Can I eat one?
Yes.
Wow, that is
Good.
different. Yeah. So yes, this is a very softer kind of bake. Yeah. But softer kind of bake, and it's actually very
Yummy.
pumpkin-y.
Yummy.
I don't usually like pumpkin, so this is a new treat.
Okay, subscribe down below. You can say the way.
Yeah. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell,
What?
and
See
yeah.
if it's on the internet. Or it's on Big People YouTube.
Big people YouTube, not kids YouTube.
Right,
Big people YouTube. Yep. Okay, there's a difference. We're on the big people YouTube.
Well, I don't need me. I'm gonna just head on out of here. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey,
I'm Micah.
This is
we
not
did
gonna
that
go
part
well.
already.
It's not good.
Is that good?
I'm going for 3 hours.
I know. I'm gonna say, do you want me to call you back when we're ready for you, sir?
So you can have all your energy?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we're back. But what I need to see is your whole face, your butt in the chair, smiling and looking at the camera.
Okay, I'm gonna sit.
Oh my God.
Why can I not see the camera? Okay, no, I can see the
Hey, goofball.
Butt face.
cut.
Please.
All right, Micah. In order to film with us,
I'm just so happy.
I know, but we gotta contain some of the happiness just for a little bit, and then we can let it out again. And then we hold it for a little bit, and then we let it out again. And then we hold it for a little bit, and then we let it out again. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Micah.
Ah. All
All
right,
right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time because I'm done with the two of them. Mwah. Take care. Micah. Shh.
Look at all kind of animals at the zoo.
Like I said, please. I'm gonna see y'all next week. We're not doing this no more. The two of them.
You do this. Do
One
this.
Micah
Right down below. Hello. Hello, Daddy,
needs to
Daddy.
go by himself.
Hello, Grandmommy.
Thanks for coming out.
Hello, Auntie Chanie.
Bye.
Bye. All right.
Bye, bye.